Okay, so I'm gonna straighten my hair today. It's gonna be the first time since like 3 years ago. So when I washed my hair last night, I put in a leave-in moisturizing conditioner so my hair doesn't get too fucked up from the heat. If I do get a lot of hair damage from this, I'm just gonna trim my hair again. It's chill. We're chilling. Yeah, I'm pretty fucking nervous, bro. What the fuck? How do you even do this again? I'm gonna do it like this. 3 sections. This is not mine. I actually stole it. Not really. I'm just borrowing it, okay? Just borrowing it. Let's get started. Oh, there's a temperature set. Oh my god, it's already hot. It's already hot. What the fuck? 350 degrees. That's the temperature you bake cookies in. What the fuck? She just whispered to me. Oh my god. Oh, this is easy. Oh my god. Okay. I'm really sweaty right now. Oh my god. Okay, you guys can see more with this light, so. Oh my god. What the fuck? We're almost done, dude. I'm so excited. What? You guys, it's like 100 degrees today and I'm like sweaty. I don't think it was a good idea to do it today, but I don't give a fuck. Okay, we're all done. I'm literally like a whole new person. Do not fuck with me this week. Do not, do not. I tried my best, dude, but look, oh my god. I haven't seen myself with straight hair, like long straight hair, since like quarantine. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope everybody has a beautiful rest of their day.